to be here today. I first want to congratulate each and every one of you on your election and re-election to this commission. Gentlemen, I think it is time that you consider rescinding the resolution that was passed in February the 25th, 2008, changing the rules regulating charitable bingo. 3 years ago, when this resolution was presented, a number of people viewed that resolution as a large step forward for our county. But we know that a lot of people viewed it as a step in the wrong direction. In fact, many thought it was a result of backroom deal making, and they resisted it as best they could. It is a fact that there was no public discussion on why 100 years of Alabama law limiting gambling should be so drastically changed by resolution of Houston County. Gentlemen, a significant change in public policy should be approached cautiously, with an ear to all voices, so as to make a wise decision, a decision the public will respect, even though some may not agree with it. So it is appropriate that we ask why. 3 years ago, when this room was filled to overflowing, when every person that stood at this podium and addressed this issue before the commission pleaded that the commission not vote on it, so that time would be allowed for an opportunity for public input. Why was those voices ignored? It was a reasonable request. To say that things have not gone as the commission envisioned when they passed that resolution would be an understatement. Attorney General Strange gave a comment following the deal that was worked out whereby the slot machines or electronic bingo machines were going to be removed from Alabama. He said this: "It is my hope that this action will put an end to the electronic bingo controversy that has engulfed our state far too long." Well, the next day, the headline in Dothan Eagle proclaimed, open quote, "Bingo battle continues," close quote. The article shared Chairman Culver's belief that, open quote, "legal efforts to determine electronic bingo's legality in Alabama will continue," close quote. Sam Cherry, the current spokesman for Country Crossing, had this to say, open quote, "We are not going away that easy," close quote. Such utterings, gentlemen, should not continue unchallenged. I suppose the most compelling evidence of the emptiness of those statements is the fact that the owners of the gambling devices that have declined the opportunity to have their legality tested in court. But let us be fair. Chairman Culver and Sam Cherry do not agree with our Attorney General. Let us examine the matter thoroughly and resolve this issue in a proper manner in the public eye before this commission. A simple proposition no one will dispute is this: when a mistake is made, it should be corrected. If the Houston County bingo resolution was wrong, it should be rescinded. It is that simple. If something is wrong, it must be corrected. Gentlemen, it was wrong. That is why AG Opinion 2008-135 has been withdrawn. Now, if anyone disagrees with that assessment, again, let them come forward and let's discuss it in a public forum in a reasonable manner. The machines that were authorized under the 2008 resolution by this commission are being hauled out of the state of Alabama as I speak. Now, Sam Cherry says new machines are being devised that are more legal than the ones being hauled out of the state. Well, gentlemen, lest we continue down the path we have traveled the last 3 years, let us have the public discussion that should have taken place 3 years ago. Sam has not said who's paying for those machines, how much they will cost, and when they will be brought into Houston County. Now is the opportunity to have the discussion so that we don't make a continuing mistake in this area. Gentlemen, I believe the public would appreciate a new direction on this issue. I believe the electronic bingo controversy needs to be buried. Now, Sam Cherry criticized the Attorney General for withdrawing AG's opinion.
Mr. Gamble, 5 minutes is up. I'll give you an additional 30 seconds to wrap that up.
Well, I think we need to put some shovels of dirt on as suggested by Sam Cherry, and so for that reason, I request that this commission put on its agenda for the next meeting the resolution updating rules regulating charitable bingo, which this commission adopted February 25th, 2008. And I request that you put reasonable time for parties knowledgeable on the law on both sides to come and talk so that an intelligent, informed decision can be made and the public will respect what you do. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Anyone else want to address the commission today? All right, and we'll see all of you on